Hi friends, today I like to share with you an inspiring eagle story. Yes, this is story of an eagle. It can live up to 70 years. To reach this age, the eagle must make a hard decision. In its 40th year, its long and flexible talons can no longer grab prey which serves as food. Its long and sharp beak becomes bent. The feathers become old, thick and heavy. The thick and heavy feathers stick to its chest and makes it difficult to fly. Then the eagle is left with only two options: die or go through a painful process of change. The process requires that the people fly to a mountain top and sit on its nest. Then the eagle knocks its beak against a rock until it's plucked it out. Then the eagle will wait for a new beak to grow back and then it will pluck out its talons. Change that worth sustaining the pain. And after this, the eagle takes its famous flight of rebirth and lives for 30 more years. Why is change needed? To survive and live. We too have to start the change process. Unlike the eagle, we also have to pluck our unpleasant memories, negative habits, and fixed mindset. Only freed from past burdens can we take advantage of the present. In order to take a new journey ahead in the future, let go, open up your fixed mindset and let yourself fly again like an eagle.